Am I the only one that comes to Target and just puts random stuff in the basket? I found these cupcake kisses. I love anything cake, so got that. Found a hoodie in the men's section on sale. Oh my god, you guys, look how cute this little bag is in Target. It's gray, it's cute, it's crossbody, and then you can also hold it by this little strap. Yes, I need this. Oh my god, it's so cute, right? Me and Josh are at the hotel because we're having a staycation this weekend. Ooh, look at this light. Bang. This is some good lighting. So we're in the club lounge waiting for our room to be ready because it's not ready yet. So we're waiting because we didn't check in right at 3 o'clock. We didn't get here till like 5. And our room wasn't ready, so we're just waiting. But you know what, I'm not mad at the waiting process because we're in this like super exclusive lounge room. You know, not everybody can bring them up here, okay? We exclusive. So yeah, we're just waiting for our room. Hopefully it shouldn't take much longer. We are hungry. We have plans for tonight, just waiting right now. And we're hungry. But they do have some snacks up here, so we're gonna see what they have. And maybe grab some snacks. But here's the view from the club lounge. We're on the 21st floor, so you can see all of that. Today was supposed to be like super cloudy and raining, but it's partly cloudy and sunny, and it's so pretty outside. Like, this isn't cold weather, it's somewhat warm, and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just love sun. I just love warm weather. I hate cold. I hate cold weather. I hate
mind if I make it a little cooler? You guys want it? Okay.
Yours?
No, I'm fine. It's not hot in here.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. But yeah, I just love sun. When it's any other weather, I'm depressed. Like, I think I've seen depression because when it's cold, when it's raining, when it's winter, I'm upset and I'm sad, and I just can't wait for it to be summer again. But today's a good day. Chicken dumplings. Okay, hey guys, so we made it into our room and I am not happy at all. I booked a club level king corner room. When we got here, check-in was at 3. We didn't check in till like 5. They didn't have any more corner rooms, king corner rooms. So I'm like, okay, cool. We can wait while you clean one. So we wait. I think we probably waited like 30 minutes. We waited like 30 minutes for a clean room to come about. So we're in our room now, and our room is not what I booked. I booked a really nice room that came with like a glass shower and a garden tub, and I showed you guys what the bathroom looked like. Like, look at this. Like, this room is nice. It's on the corner. It's got cute panorama, whatever, but it's not what I wanted. It's not what I paid for. This just kills my whole vibe. This just kills me in Bay. Staycation. You know, we needed that shower. Like, I'm just so, I'm not happy. I'm mad.
I ain't gonna let it make us what they want us to be, mad. So we still gonna have fun. We still gonna do our thing.
I wanted to take it from the bed to the shower. So we're going to see the movie The Black Panther tonight at 7:45, and it's already 6:23. So I had Josh go get some ice because I said, you know what? I need a drink. I need a motherfucking drink. So I bought some Crown Apple from the house. Make me a drink. I would prefer some Sprite, but we don't have no Sprite right now, so I'm just gonna, I put some cran cherry in this container. I need a motherfucking drink. You want a drink, babe?
And then you got the taller guy in there. They're talking over you. Shaking hands. Numerical order bills. I'll tell you what. Statute of limitations. Statute of limitations. Larry Nance Jr. You've got Donovan Mitchell. You've got... How do you know? Because he's also NBA All-Star. So
should be fine.
How's that guy? Because he has...
And then I'm gonna pour my Crown Apple, 21 and over.
I'll go with Dennis Smith. I'll go with Dennis Smith. Okay, so we all know. So we all have a difference. That's all good. You're acting like I'm wrong. It's only
I should have just drank it like this, but add my juice. I normally only drink Crown Apple with like ginger ale or Sprite. I've never drank it with cran cherry, so I hope it's good, but it should be. So, cheers. Boop. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Gotta spray it down with some Lysol. There we go. So tonight, I think I'm going to wear this Henley shirt. I got this shirt from Urban Outfitters. And then I'm going to wear these faded black high-waisted skinny jean from Zara that I got on the sale that I showed you guys in a haul. So I'm just going to shower really quickly so I can put my clothes on. Okay, so my outfit changed. Zara high-waisted jeans, my black and white Vans, and then I put on this Champion sweatshirt. Only because it's cold in the movies and I don't want to be cold and I also don't want to carry a jacket. I just want to carry my purse and myself. So, Josh, what is Josh wearing?
I ain't changed shit. All I changed was my shoes.
Yeah, but they never saw your whole outfit. So,
okay.
He changed his shoes. What are those?
What you mean?
What are your shoes?
They 13s.
Okay.
Exclusive.
And then some Jordan socks.
I had these on, but...
Yeah, turn to the side so I can show your sock.
No,
it's
you
simple.
Show my socks.
Do what I say.
Man, I ain't done what you said. Let's go. It's time to go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Shorts
Let's go.
from H&M.
Man,
shirt from Forever 21. Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
Watch
Let's go.
Diesel. I bought that for Christmas. Let me take another sip of my drink. Alright. Let's go.
Look at this crazy person.
Just kidding. Hey guys, so we're in the movies. We're gonna see Black Panther.
Whole wheat waffles.
So the only movie theater that we like to come to is
Do we really have to choose him to be our next spokesperson?
Really big
So boring.
reclining seats.
Sounds like you're on the fence.
Like a
Why don't I just leave you my resume? Yes,
Put your foot
it's
up.
layered. Ow.
See?
Don't show them too much of the movie. I don't want to spoil it.
And the ones we
Well, the
love,
movie doesn't start till 7:45, and
our
it's
book
only
clubs, our tea
7:32.
times.
So it's our first time being
The
early for a
moments.
movie.
We don't have to say a word.
Then we'll be bootlegging.
No, we ain't gonna bootleg the movie.
We the
ain't
people
gonna give it away.
who mess with each other's heads,
Y'all gotta see it
and
for
have each other's
yourself.
backs.
Y'all gotta spend your own coin for the
who
movie.
have songs and food
support.
and keeping and dreaming. Who never stop wondering what
Ain't
we'll
nothing
do
wrong with that, though.
or where we'll go next. The people who are
I'm
better
about to say that.
together
You gonna eat all the
than we are
popcorn.
alone are unstoppable. Welcome to the entirely
Yeah,
new
I figured you might need some.
Smart. Thank you. I will need some.
We're back from the movies. The movies was good. In my opinion, it was alright. You like the movie? So right now we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna eat because what, it's 10:30. I got a headache. I think my ponytail's too tight. Yeah, it's 10:29. I don't know what we're gonna eat, so I'm gonna look through this little menu first. But I want us to get something from somewhere. But they do have a restaurant downstairs, so I'm gonna look and see what that restaurant downstairs have. I don't know if I told y'all, but we are staying at the Westin. So there's a restaurant in the hotel. It's called The Palm. I don't know what time they close, so I need to check and see.
Wait, I'm gonna need 6 cookies and another one. 7, 8 cookies. Wait, 9 cookies. Yes, I better do my hair.
You don't have to sing the galaxy once every day. Inside of you now is the answer.
Good morning. So let's see what time it is. It's 7:59. Me and Josh just went and got some breakfast. Let me show you what I got. So all I have is a bagel and some bacon. And then I got some orange juice, and then look at him. He like a caveman. He got fruit, a bagel, and eggs. Afternoon, morning. So we're showered and dressed. Let me show you what I'm wearing. It's nothing special or anything. It's just shregular degular. So I'm wearing this black t-shirt from Zara. I have on Zara jeans, and then my Vans. And this face is from my mama and my daddy. Let's see what Josh is wearing. What are you wearing? Turn around. I need to come this way because it's dark. Okay.
Tight ass jeans.
Shut up. So Josh is wearing some H&M jeans, Jordan 13, white tee, face from his mama and his daddy, face from his mama and his daddy, hair from the beauty supply store. No, I'm kidding. Guys, look at this weather. Today it said it was going to be rainy and cloudy, no sunshine at all. Do you see any rain? Do you see any clouds? Do you see how beautiful it is outside? This is the kind of weather that I thrive in. I hate cold, I hate rain, I hate clouds. Like, this is what I like. I love this. Me and Josh just got to the restaurant. We're at Bangkok time. Why do I keep saying Bangkok time? We're at Bangkok Station. So we're just waiting for our food. We just ordered like fried rice, and then I got an appetizer of the chicken satay. So we're just waiting.
Hope that's for you.
Oh, thank you. I got a Sprite.
Order line. Let me get this. You want it?
You can have it, I guess. Yeah, so this is our view. It's pretty empty in here actually. We're early. They just opened at 11. No, they just opened at 12 o'clock. So it's really cute though. It's cute in here?
Cute in here? I would never say that.
Oh.
It's nice in here.
Is it too bright?
Yeah, it's still fun.
Is it too bright?
Not really. Probably to you, but it look alright to me.
Bruh.
So here's the appetizers. Chicken satay, so it's like fried with a peanut sauce, which I don't think I'm gonna try. I think I'm just eat them like this.
So,
First time.
doing specific things with that, we do from a big online test.
It's good. You should try it. You should try it. It's like all seasoned in one.
So since you're not gonna try the sauce, I will. It should taste like peanut butter.
Sauce. I'm not gonna try the peanut sauce. Here's my shrimp fried rice, and then
Always copying off of me.
comes with these seasonings so you can make your food spicy. So they have jalapenos. The guy said this is like extremely hot, really, really, really hot. And then I guess that's medium, and then that's regular hot. No thanks.